Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations.
Alright, so we start off with someone who has mid-length hair, and she switches it up with this cute classic bob. Center part down the middle. Gorgeous transformation. And then we have someone who decided to get a tousled bob. I love the ombre color she had there. Followed by this beautiful asymmetrical pixie cuts. Oh, and another gorgeous bob. This one features a bit of copper going here with a reddish brown hint. Beautiful ombre color. And then here we have someone with shoulder length hair, and bam! She also gets a classic bob here, ends just around the jawline. Very cute style. Now, if you guys haven't noticed a theme in today's video, bobs are definitely going to continue to trend in 2025. Here we have someone with this really pretty pixie style. I like how this has the swoop bangs going there in the front. And then we have another pixie. Looks like the stylist is kind of trimming the hair, giving her a bit of a cut refresh. And this pixie is of the longer variety. It's a great length if you still want to keep, quite a bit of hair. Ooh, so we have someone else rocking out the copper color trend. Looks like she's getting a shaggy cut. I adore this hair color. And I really like the texture that he put in the hair too. It's just so bouncy and full. Definitely 70 vibes with that one. And then here we have a really pretty copper colored bob style. Look at the way this color just looks in the sun. So beautiful. And then for my pixie lovers, we have another pixie. So she's also getting a cut refresh here. Doing more of like the undercut pixie. Getting some color. So cute. And this one does feature a nice choppy layer texture to it too. Next up, looks like we have someone getting another bob. So she does do more of that layered bob trend. Nice tousled bob with some texture. And if you have hair on the thinner side, the tousle look is definitely going to add instant volume to your hair. Oh, I like the Stylist hair. It's just the two-tone trend going there. So the client's hair is around shoulder length, just a little bit past the shoulders. Like she might be getting a look for her birthday. Ooh! So she also tried out the copper color trend in the form of a bob. This seems to be a very popular color cut combo right now. Copper and bobs. I really like this color on her too. It really just kind of warms up her complexion, especially with that tropical top that she is wearing. Very pretty combo. Ooh, so the stylist is cutting a lot of hair here. Oh, gorgeous bob. She's got the French girl style bob with the bangs going in the front. And then here we have another bob makeover. So like I said, bobs are very popular right now. Hers is more of a shaggy bob. Now that we see the final look, she's got a lot of natural curly texture mixed in. Another cute bob with the bottleneck style bangs going in the front. Very cute, very polished. She has so much fullness to her hair too. It's very thick and full. So here we have someone with copper colored hair. Like I said, huge trend for 2025. But it looks like she is, oh, she went red. Oh, I love this even more than the copper, honestly. Wow. So cute. And then she is working the bob. Wow. I love the way that this turned out. So beautiful and right on trend with the season. So here we have someone that looks like she might be getting some color done here. Eyebrows, everything. So she's probably, I'm gonna guess she's probably going platinum with this look. Doing a little workout while getting her hair done. So she bleached her brows. Gorgeous bright blonde color, very cute. And then we end the video with another beautiful blonde bob style. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these winter hairstyle ideas that you can rock this season. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.